How to wire your Wright CNC plasma table control box. Now in a previous video we showed you how to wire the wire arm, and in this video we're going to show you how to connect that to the control box. Starting with the second wire that's present on the Z axis, the F switch. This allows you to detect the height of the material. You plug that into the F port, followed by the X, Y, Z, and A motor cables coming off of their respective motors. The P port is for plasma, and the T port is for your THC. Next, we're going to hook up your multi-pin connector, your serial port connector, to the control box, followed closely by your USB cable. Please do not forget to install the USB cable. It is absolutely crucial that you install the USB cable. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and go right over to the computer, taking the two ends of that serial cable and the port USB cable and plugging them into the computer and tightening them to ensure proper connection in case of tripping hazards.